It was a rain impressive. Reagan National 2.22-inch Widows 1.75-inch BWI Marshall 2.5-inch. Even if the rain has ended in many places, please pay attention to driving, since there may be high water areas near streams and weak drainage areas. Tonight we will have the last update. 7:30 in evening. Heaviest rain and most powerful winds for next few hours. Some reports of downed trees. Interruptions. There is a few more hours before he gets out of the heavy rain in the northeast. The combination of gusty winds and the combination of saturated soils resulted in trees scattered around the region, as well as some acne power outages. Heavy rain and strong winds similar to what we live in should continue until 2200. The rainfall in the region continues to climb and is usually between 1.5 and 2 inches. Reagan National Airport received 1.98 inches. Calendar day record. Turn. Do not drown. The rivers overflowing their banks in the region have more than one report. Maryland and D.C. The high water closed beach driving between Line and East-West Motorway reached small flood stage in region. Original article from 1700. The gigantic storm that sweeps the eastern United States leaves traces in the Washington metro region. There is already drenched and more. Most of the region is under flood warnings until late tonight. Avoid routes near the streams that tend to live, and if you encounter high water, do not go down. Tomorrow is blush, but it will be dry. Tonight middle to heavy rain continues this evening and at the beginning of the night. A small thunder and especially strong wind explosion. The oil is mainly done until midnight, but some showers are possible before dawn. Keep your phones installed with possibility of high wind and power outages. And if possible, minimize the proximity to trees. Tomorrow, although it is possible to see a lot of suns, but still not as light as possible, turns out. Rain. Go D.C. Beginning meteorological winter with approximately 8.5-inch rain since December 1st. A total 7.56 inches winter 19,011,902 throughout this date. After end this storm, we will be above average for whole winter. And there are 2 more storms on the horizon.